you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have chicken love for December. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so December's chicken love just arrived. I do purchase the mega box. There's 3 different sizes when it comes to this one. I get the largest one, so we get the shirt and all of the goods inside, and I'm always so excited to see what's going to be in here for me versus what is in here for my girls. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in the December 2022 box. Last month for November is mainly like their Christmas box. That's when we had the Christmas shirt and all Christmas stuff inside, just so we would have it for this entire month. So let's see what's going to now be in the December box. So don't get disappointed if you don't see a lot of Christmas stuff in here, because that was last month. It was Christmas in November with this box. So let's go ahead, like I said, let's see what's going to be now in this one. And one more. There we go. I think I had it undone now. Yes. Oop. Okay, so right up here is the card. It tells us what is for the flock versus what is for us, like the human. And that's really good, just in case there's a treat in here that you're not quite sure if it's for you or for the chickens. Everything is right here to tell you what it is and who it's for, and I like that. So December t-shirt of the month, it says Great Hair Day. The Polish beauty is rocking the hairdo. Tie-dye, pink, orange, spiral, and super soft. So that's what we're going to find inside of here. So when we open this up, the tissue paper is nice and festive. It has like little snowflakes on them. And then we got this before. It's a wrapping paper. Let me see if it's on here again or what it says. Gift wrap. Yes, you already got this, but we must have miscounted because we had so much left over. So we're sending you some more as just a happy treat that wasn't planned for the December box. Enjoy anyways. So like a few boxes back, I believe we had 2 different prints in one of the boxes, and I was like, ooh, I'm going to use this for like scrapbooking, but you can definitely use it for wrapping and that kind of thing. I did this year purchase from Tractor Supply a Christmas and a non-Christmas wrapping paper with chickens on it, so I can give it to like my chicken loving friends. I only have like 2. So that's the only reason why I bought that, just so I can wrap their stuff in with chickens. So this is super cute because now I can save, because I wanted to save the other one for scrapbook. So now I can save this one, and if somebody's birthday is coming up, I can use this because it's not Christmassy, and I can use this for like their birthday gift. So that's cool that we got another one, and it's just an extra bonus. But this is a you're like, what is it? It's wrapping paper, and you can open it up this wide. So you can use it for whatever. You can use it for, like I said, wrapping. You can use it for scrapbooking, journaling. You can use it for whatever tickles your fancy. So there's a little extra bonus. Now let's get to the shirt. And it did say it was like orange and tie-dye. And it does say Great Hair Day. It is on the quarter length sleeve shirts. I can't wait until we can get back to the short sleeve shirts, because I normally don't wear anything other than short sleeve shirts like all year long. But this one says Great Hair Day. It has this little chicken with some little mohawk, and that is super cute. So this is the shirt for this month. Now every tier, because I had said that there's 3 different subscriptions, every single one would get this same brand, but their shirts go from, I think it's small, let me see. Yes, small to 3XL in sizing. So there's the shirt that everybody would receive for this month. Now what's left after you remove the shirt is all right there. And I believe a few boxes back, I was reading the card and it said something about one of these, and she was like, oh no, there was not enough room in the box, so you will find them in another box. So maybe this is that box that they were going to be in, because now I'm finding, I have 3 of these things. Disposable syringe with cover, 60 mil. Again, there's 3 different ones. This is for your flock wound flush syringes. Put these in your flock's first aid kit. When you need to flush a wound with saline, you're ready to go. Being prepped is important when it comes to keeping your flock healthy. So again, here's 3 different ones just to add to your first aid kit. Now we have, it says it's a plastic scoop. It's a 2-pack. Oh, that's neat. Right now, currently, I've been using like a plastic mug that came in another box, and I've just been using that because it has a handle, and I'm just going through and putting like all of going through like their bigger bags of treats and just pulling it out with that. So now I will have 2 scoops because I do want to get I want to get more organized with all of their stuff. So I wanted to eventually get like 2 nice things that you can just open up and like scoop stuff out for like their treats. So this would be really neat, especially when I get to that point. So this is under what's inside for me, not the flock. And again, it's a 2-pack. So here's 2 scoops with handles. It says snack scoops. These scoops are just right for dishing out afternoon snacks to your flock. And at Thanksgiving, we figured out they were great as an ice cream scoop. Holy moly, that's a big scoop for ice cream. That's my kind of ice cream scoop if that's the case. So again, that is in there for us, and there's a 2-pack that we can use for their treats or anything else that you would like. Okay, so next up we have, it says egg wipes. These are under what is for us. Egg wipes from Carefree Enzymes. Sometimes you want those beautiful eggs to shine. Get the yucky off with these natural wipes. I don't clean mine. I haven't had to thus far. I haven't had to clean any of the eggs. Knock on wood, thankfully. So I will save these in case one day comes and there's something on them that I need to clean them. But other than that, I won't be using these because their eggs are normally like perfectly clean, straight coming out. It says that there are 40 wipes and they are 7-inch by 8-inch as in diameter. It says directions, add 4 ounces of water to the canister prior to use to reactivate the wipes. And then wipe each egg. If necessary, use more than 1 wipe for a heavy soiled egg. Dry with a clean towel and then refrigerate. 1 wipe will clean up to a dozen eggs depending upon the soil on each egg. So again, there's 40 of them in here. It's completely sealed. I'm going to keep this closed because I don't know if this is something that I want to use or to pass down to one of my chicken keeping friends. Maybe they have dirty eggs and they might be able to actually utilize it where my eggs are clean. So I know I won't really need to use that, but I have it if I need it, I guess. So next we have is Pest Oust. I don't know how you say that one, but maybe like Pest Out. This here is under what is for the flock. Nesting herbs that smell so nice and help keep nasty little critters away too. I actually bought a big, huge bag of like nice, good nesting herbs, but I will use this in between, like mix them in between with the other. Ingredients in here is peppermint, woodworm, lemongrass, basil, rosemary, and cinnamon. So I can sprinkle that in there. I just put some yesterday in there, so I'll have to wait a few days and then I can add this to the nesting boxes, but that is for the flock. So next we have is 2 pairs of earrings. My ears are super sensitive, so I would not wear these. I think we've received 1 or 2 pairs so far in this box and I can't wear any of them. So I will pass these down to somebody who maybe will. But you do have you have 2 pairs. So you have a pair up here and then you have like a dangling pair down here. So this would be for us because these are definitely not for the girls. Earring set. A set of stud and hoops for your chicken mom lifestyle. Again, I can't use these, so I'll pass these down to somebody who can. Now we have is a Merry Christmas cookie. That looks absolutely scrumptious, and that is so cute that it's a chicken. That is adorable. This right here says Christmas cookie. Burly Girl Bakery brings us another beautifully hand-decorated confection. Too pretty to eat, but do it anyways. It's yummy. That is really cute. So that's the company. And that is definitely adorable with the chicken on it. That is too cute. So in this box, again, it's not the Christmas box, but they did put in a Christmas cookie for us. So that is super cute. Next we have is Flock Fixer. Non-medicated, fast-acting, hydrate and restore during times of challenge. Includes prebiotics, probiotics, electrolytes, and vitamins. Infused with oregano essential oils. I think there's a scooper in here. I feel something hard in here. Yeah, there's like a little scooper already in there. So you got a little scooper in there. This is for the flock. And it says Strong Animals Chicken Essential Flock Fixer. Cold weather, oh, it's saying cold weather. We don't even have cold weather here, so. Cold weather can stress your flock and weaken their immune system. Flock Fixer is a vitamin-rich water additive that helps hydrate, restore vital nutrients, and support their immune system. So again, it doesn't get too cold here, but I guess every now and then it wouldn't hurt just to give it to them so they get that extra boost of vitamins and electrolytes and all of that good stuff. So that's neat. Next we have is, I guess this is a sticker. To me, I can make a better sticker with my own Cricut. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It just looks a little cheaply made, to be honest. And I definitely would not want that on my car. So maybe I'll just use it for like my scrapbook or something. I don't know. Just to me, like I said, my own opinion, it just looks cheaply made. And I don't want that on my car. So I'll save it for, I guess, something else. But there is this, and it says it's a high quality decal. Okay. It says Crazy Chicken Lady decal. High quality decal. Install on your vehicle's back windshield and enjoy. No, it doesn't look like a high quality, but okay. Maybe it is, and I just don't see something. All right, so next we have is Yarn Magic by Angela. It looks like a crocheted chicken. What is this? Crocheted chicken. Yarn Magic by Angela has done it again. This beautiful piece was handmade with love for chicken love ladies. I'm not sure what this is intended for because like 2 boxes back, we got a like a trivet that was really nicely made. And that's what I have in my kitchen. It wasn't like a handmade thing. So I'm not quite sure what you're supposed to do with this, but I probably won't use this in my kitchen. I don't know, it just looks just another product that's just meh. So I'm not too excited about this. I mean, it's cute that it's a chicken, but I'm just not excited about it. And then it looks like there's one item left in here. It says, yay, your chicken box is here. This month highlights a very special part of the chicken lovers population, CrossBeaks. A CrossBeak is a genetic deformity that appears anytime up to about a month old. It can't be fixed, straightened, or corrected in any way, but CrossBeaks can live full, normal chicken lives with just a little bit of extra observation and adaptation. Aww, so they have like literally like a cross beak, and I guess it's like a birth defect, a deformity. So it says, our focus is to educate and celebrate the lives of these special ones. And we made a calendar. So that's what this is. We made a calendar to celebrate and highlight these sweet chickens. We hope you enjoy the funny faces we've collected over this 2023 calendar. So this is under What Is For Us. And it says CrossBeak Calendar. Read the insert in the box about these special needs chickens and their very special moms. Precious. So then this would be the CrossBeak Chicken Calendar for 2023. Aw, look at how cute they are though with their beaks. So I guess, let's see. Look at how cute. Oh, then there's all these people. I don't know. I wouldn't want all these strangers staring at me every month, like for the whole month. If it was just chickens, that would be cute. See, like that, if it was just the chicken. Look at that one. See, I wish they were just like this every month. That would be super cute. But there's some more. That is cute. So you do have a calendar if you would like to use this for 2023. And that is everything for this month. There's no treat really or anything for the girls. So I really can't like give them anything to show you this month. That's a little disappointing. So a quick recap, we have this crocheted thing here that I just don't think I'm going to use. We have the Flock Fixer. We have this wipes that I probably won't use. There's a small thing of nesting herbs. There's a really cute chicken cookie. You have 3 of these for the medical kit. You have this high quality sticker to put on your car or wherever you want. You have a pair of earrings that I will have to give to somebody because I can't wear them. You have a 2-pack of scoops, which I will definitely use. And then you have an extra little added bonus that wasn't a part, but you got this just in case you wanted to wrap something since they had extra. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think about it? Me personally, I think they've done definitely way better boxes. This one I'm just a little disappointed in, just because I'm not going to be able to use a lot of it, just me personally, or it's just some things just look a little bit cheaper this month and not of good quality. So that's just my own personal opinion. I will gladly share the things that I won't use with others. So, I mean, it won't be a total waste, but yeah, I hate wasting things if I can't use it. So I will try to find somebody who actually will. So let me know what you thought about it. Let me know down below. Oh, and the shirt. The shirt is really cute. So we have the quarter length shirt, which I won't wear too much either. So this month it's just, I like the cookie, which that'll be gone in 2 seconds, and the nesting herbs I can use, and then the scoop is probably the only thing I'm really excited about. So there's that. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. They did generate my own code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you $5 off your very first box if you are interested in any of the subscriptions. You can purchase from their shop without having a subscription. They do have an online shop. They have a lot of shirts. They have a lot of cool products. They have books. I actually purchased this from their shop. This was like a previous shirt before I even subscribed, and you can purchase them directly on their site. So I did purchase this. I purchased salt and pepper shakers. I purchased books, all kinds of stuff. If you would like to check them out, they will be linked down below. So for the monthly subscription is a monthly subscription box for the Not So Crazy Chicken Lady. What's inside? Our boxes come filled with treats and supplies for your chickens, gifts and goodies for the Crazy Chicken Lady, and fun chicken lover lifestyle t-shirts. The mega box, like I get, if you do month per month, it's $79 per box. You get the shirt and all of the products that are inside. If you would like to save money and go to a 3-month subscription, it'll bring the box price down to $78. 6 months will bring it down to $77, and 12 months will also bring it down to $77 per box. It includes all of the products for you and the flock, 7 to 9 items, plus the t-shirt of the month. The mega box is the favorite of our subscribers and the best of the value. Then you can do the mini box. So if you want to dabble in here, you want the shirt and you want a few items, but you don't want to go straight to the mega box, you can do the mini box. The mini box is $49 month per month, $48 if you do 3 months, $47 if you do 6 or 12. That one will include the featured item of the month for your flock, a featured item of the month for yourself, and the t-shirt. Or you can go to the Happy Hen T-shirt Club, where you just get the shirt every month. It is $33 month per month, $32 for 3 months, and $31 for 6 or 12 month prepaid subscription. And that'll come with the shirt of the month. And again, their sizes are small all the way up to 3XL that you can choose from. Free shipping to the United States on all 3 of those levels. And again, they do have their online shop if you would like to check them out. So that is everything that I have to show and share with this video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew.